Hey, fourth grade. This week, we are going to talk about diagramming adverbs. So let's do a quick review. Remember, when you diagram, you have the subject on the left and the verb on the right. So, subject first, then your verb. Then you are going to hang your modifiers. So, I'm on page 194. For example, too much time was needlessly wasted. So what's your subject and verb? Remember to find your verb first. Was wasted. Correct. Who or what was wasted? Time was wasted. So, time was wasted goes on the line first, just like this. Next, you're going to hook your adverbs and your adjectives. So, what word modifies was wasted? Was wasted how? Needlessly. So you're going to hook needlessly right underneath the verb. Needlessly. Just like that. Next, there's an adjective. How much time? Much modifies time. So we're going to hook much right under time. But there's an adverb that modifies much. To what extent was much time wasted? Too much. So we're going to hook to much. Remember, adverbs modify adjectives, adverbs, and verbs. Remember, adjectives modify nouns and pronouns. All right, let's do number 2 together. The prodigal son lived very wickedly. The verb is yes, lived. Who or what lived? The son. Now, what word modifies lived? Lived how? Wickedly. How wickedly? Very wickedly. So we're going to hook wickedly and then again very. You see that? Now, what words describe son? Going in order of the sentence. The son. Make sure you capitalize it. Prodigal. Very good. So you should have the prodigal son lived wickedly. How wickedly? Very wickedly. Very nice. All right, on Think B, you're just drawing arrows to the words that the adjectives and adverbs modify, and you're underlining your subjects and verbs. So let's do number 1 together. The sky suddenly darkened. Sky is the subject, darkened is the verb. So you're going to underline sky once, darkened twice. Now, what word modifies sky? The. Very good. And what word modifies darkened? Suddenly. Very nice. Then you're going to diagram them. Now, I just want you to diagram 1 through 7, not all 14. So let's diagram number 1 together. We said sky is the subject and darkened is the verb. So this is how we're going to set it up. Subject, verb. Now, are there any words that describe the sky? The. Remember your article adjectives, a, and the. Very nice. And what word did we say modified darkened? Suddenly. Very nice. And here is your diagram for number 1. All right, I just want you to diagram numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and you can stop there. Then tomorrow we'll be talking about good versus well.